What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you all hit that like button, I'll appreciate it very much. I'll do a quick breakdown of what I'm doing in this video. I strictly ran a Carolina rig all day, not really used up here in Ontario, but yeah, it's just a simple bullet weight attached to a barrel swivel with a 2-foot fluorocarbon lead. And then that is attached to a flat style beaver. Now the reason I like it flat is because it kind of helps it hover above when you're dragging along bottom, so it doesn't kind of just sit on bottom and drag. It kind of pops up and it'll actually catch the water and go upwards when you hit it and then go on slackline. So what else I like to do is I like to keep that bait just a little bit on an angle so the nose actually pulls up. And what you actually do to get that is when you put your hook into your bait, you go just a tiny little bit further than you would normally if you wanted it straight. And what that'll do is that'll arc your the back downwards, or arc the center downwards, and when you pull it, it'll catch water and send it up. So yeah, the reason I'm running a Carolina rig is because we've had some pretty windy weather here in the last few weeks, and when I was out, it was rain, storming, and almost 60k winds, so pretty much fishing anything was pretty much impossible other than a big heavy presentation, dragging it on bottom, or a moving bait, and they weren't eating a moving bait, so I had no choice. I started dragging a heavy jig, but I kept getting stuck in sludge and stuff and all the decaying weed from last year. And that's where this Carolina rig really shined, is because the bullet weight you'd still get stuck in it, but when you pull it and that keeps up in the column and it'll sink down. But you're not pushing the nose of that bait into that sludge, so your bait stays clean, and in turn, you get more bites. So hope that tip helps you out, and let's get into some fishing. Got one on the Carolina rig. Little baby. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Next, I gotta go home. Storms. Always storms. Whoa, what the hell was that, Tyler? That's because it's a fish, Tyler. It's not a snag. Reel it in there, bud. Okay, one more fish. ball and chainer. Ooh, Carolina rig's catching them up. Oh man, chatterbait, or this casting this ball and chain into the wind is oh man, this just doesn't get old. Thought it would, but it doesn't. Just clobbering them. Alright, she's lost go. Oh man, all those breaking loose now. Woo! Man, it's not nice out here. It is cold, windy, nasty. Oh, Carolina. Okay, we got one more bite. Mainly because my hands are fucking cold. Alright, Mr. Carolina Rig, give me another bite. Oh, I'm so wet already. Ugh. Okay. Oh God, I already had a bite. Ah! Leave it. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go for the big one for the end. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Man, that thing cracked. That thing. Oh. Yeah, 4-pounder at the end of the day. Carolina Rig. Oh, already fell out. Chonk female. Do I do another cast? I think so. Man, it's wet over here. Oh, now I lost the claw. Ripped my own claw. Felt like a fish though. No. Right. done. Home time. Little baby one. Maybe one more. Last one. All right, home time. Wet.